Good morning dear student, this is a grammar class. Today we are going to learn new topic. Our topic name is pronouns interrogative. Okay, in last period we had learned what is related with pronouns and pronouns, reflexive pronouns and subjective pronouns. Today we are going to learn related with interrogative pronouns. Dear students, look here. Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that we use for asking questions. Okay, pronouns, interrogative pronouns are that pronouns we use for asking questions. प्रश्नार्थक सर्वनाम म्हणजे असे सर्वनाम की जे आपण कशासाठी विचारतो, प्रश्न विचारण्यासाठी. ओके, that we use for asking questions. Okay, for example, these are the examples: who, what, which, again here what, and then whose. These pronouns, these words, these interrogative words we use as a pronouns. हे जे दिलेले शब्द आहेत प्रश्नार्थक ते आपण प्रोनाउन्स म्हणून यूज करतो वाक्यामध्ये. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. हु अँड हुम, हु अँड हुम, इट इज आल्सो इंटरोगेटिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स. हे सुद्धा काय इंटरोगेटिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स आहेत. नाउ लुक हियर. वी यूज हु अँड हुम व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल. हु अँड हुम आपण कधी वापरतो, जेव्हा आपण लोकांविषयी बोलतो. अबाउट पीपल, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल. लोकांविषयी ज्यावेळेस आपण बोलतो त्यावेळेस आपण कुठले प्रोनाउन यूज करतो, हु अँड हुम. रिमेंबर दिस. These pronouns basically used when we are talking about people. Now the next line, who is used in the subject position. Remember this. Who is used in the subject position in a sentence. आता who कधी वापरलं जातं, who हे कर्ता म्हणून ऍज अ सब्जेक्ट म्हणून वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला वापरलं जातं सेंटेन्स मध्ये. ओके, who is used in the subject position in a sentence. Now next, whom. Okay, whom should be used in the object position. Okay, dear students, look here. Whom is used in a object position. Difference between who and whom. Okay, who is used as subject and whom is used as a object in a sentence. Now look here. Whom is also used after a preposition. It is very important. Whom is also used after preposition. You know that prepositions, after prepositions we use whom. Now the next line is, whom is formal and not used very often in the spoken English. Whom is a formal. In a formal situation we use whom and not use very often in a spoken English. बोली भाषेमध्ये इंग्लिश मध्ये जास्त वेळा whom आपण वापरतो, फक्त फॉर्मल टाइम मध्ये आपण औपचारिकपणेच काय करतो, whomचा वापर करतो. नाउ एक्झाम्पल, who own the competition question mark. Okay, who own the competition. In this example, who is the subject of the verb. Who is the subject of the verb. That means who is used as a pronouns, interrogative pronouns. Remember this. Who is the subject of the verb and own, past tense of the will. Remember this. This is the verb second form, own. Okay, own past tense of will. Here क्रियापदाचं second form own. Okay. Who scored a goal yesterday? Question mark. In this example, okay, once again, who is the subject of the verb. We can easily understand that who is used as a subject of that verb. Scored is a verb second form. Remember this. In this example, who is used as a subject. Okay, so that this word used as pronoun, interrogative pronouns. Okay, instead of noun we use here who, and that is interrogative pronouns. Now look here. Now look at these examples. Okay, example. Whom are we going to invite to the party on Friday? Question mark. Question mark. Okay, whom are we going to invite to the party on Friday? Question mark. whom is the object of the verb because we is the subject of the verb in mind. We know that, and we learn before this point, okay, who is used as a subject, okay, and then whom is used as an object pronoun, okay, subject pronoun and object pronoun. Before this point we learned that who is used as a subject pronoun and whom is used as a object pronoun, so that in this example whom are we going to invite to the party on Friday, in this example whom is used as a object, okay, object of the verb, and because we is a subject of the verb in mind, this verb, okay, we is a subject pronoun, remember this, okay. Now look here, who is used however in a modern spoken English, okay. Who are we going to invite to the party on Friday? Whom did they choose, okay? Whom did they choose to represent the school in the debate competition, okay? Represent the school in the debate competition, question mark. In this example, whom is used as an object, okay, because they is used as a subject of verb represent. Remember this, okay. We use here did so that verb first form is here. We write when we use did in any sentence, that time we use verb first form to represent. Okay. Now, who did they choose to represent the school in the debate competition? Question mark. In this example, we use here who as a interrogative pronouns and whom also used as a interrogative pronouns. Okay. Whom as in interrogative pronoun is also used after a preposition. We already learned this point. Okay. Whom is interrogative pronoun and that is used also after a preposition. Okay. In this way we can easily understand the interrogative pronouns. Okay. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.